Hi everyone, another wee video for yourselves. I'm here at home in my dressing gown. I haven't bothered filming an intro or an outro for this video. I just, last minute decision, went out to Harpsdale this afternoon from about 1:30 to about back at 6. I managed 8 fish. The main sort of tactic that was really sort of doing justice was my real 3-foot hover tip with a red beaded apps bloodworm on the point. I got a few fish on that, and sticking with that line, I got one on a red sort of leggy sort of cat bug. I got a couple of fish on the floating line, one on a dry fab, an emerging fab, a dry fab, and one on the Vicar buzzer. So yeah, I didn't have time to actually film an intro or an outro. Just wanted to show you guys last minute decision. Well, I was moping about the house today, and my missus was like, "Ross, you're not looking right today." I was like, "What do you want to do?" I was like, "Oh, I'll go fishing," and I went fishing. So yeah. Hover tip line, apps bloodworm, and a Vicar buzzer. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you hopefully next weekend up at Dunnet Head. Hello all. Well, that fish came up and took a dry blob. No sooner had my fab hit the fucking water, head and tail straight over it. An emerging blob, a clink blob. On the hover tip. Nice. Get yourself over here, mister. Oh, really strength on them. Yeah, can I beat a dry blob? Oh, you're over there. No, come out there. Little Raj. Over here. Turn off over here, boy. Girl. Right. Yeah, net, Ross. Don't forget the old net. Oh my lord. Oh lordy me. Right. On the fab, not a size 14 fab. Nice colours in it. I'll just extend the net a wee bit. Oh, there's strong fishies. Right. There it is. Right. Got a wee black deal back just up from it, just in case they want something a bit more natural, but she quite like the look of that blob. What is it with these fish just now? Look at this. I mean, maybe a 2.5 pounder, but lordy me, they are strong. Come on. Oh, thump in the nylon there. Right. Look at this. Right, come over here, you. They are really strong, these trout. Come over yonder. Oh, Jesus, Ross, what's your slack line? Oh, it's going out again. Oh. Right, come on. That's the one. That's the one. That's the one. That's the one. Oh, it's a bigger fish than before, no wonder. Well, hello. Oh, yes, that's a way better trouty than I've had. Lovely. Lovely fishy. Right. Where's the white flag? Oh, she's shaking it. No, she's just on her auxiliary bone there. Let's get this rubbish off the line. There we go. Just one of these. State it. One of these bad boys. I'll deal back, like I say, just up from it, just in case they want something a bit more natural. Oh, that's a lovely trout, that. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's get a look at you from the camera. That's a good. Yeah, look at that. There we go. Lovely fish. Right. Off you go. Alright. I don't know what that took. Oh, lordy me, that's still a better fish. My line just straightened on me there. Oh, head shakes. Head shakes, head shakes. That's in the buzzer, I think. That was a good solid hit, that. Oh, that's just a wee fish. That was on the buzzer though. Oh. That's on the black. That's on the black thicker buzzer by the looks of it. Let's get all this swan crap. Oh. Nice. I think that's on the black buzzer. Yeah. Oh, these fish are picky today, I tell you. Oof. Right. Yes, the Vicar buzzer. That was a good solid hit as well. There we go. Brilliant. Fishy number 2. Lovely. Lovely fishy. On the black Vicar buzzer. Off she goes. Excellent. Okay. Just about to cast and I first came up and grabbed my apps. Nice, let's just get this line on the reel. Okay, not a big fish, but still. He's over there. There's a crack boy. Well, maybe I should keep the axe bloodworm on for now. Shouldn't be Moses. Oh. Okay, cool. All these little naturals buzzing around and he came up and grabbed the apps. Oh, that's a nice trout. Still got the deal back on, but not one fish is interested in the deal back just now. There we go. Oh, you're over there. Oh, over this way, please. Can't go wrong with a good old red apps, eh? You really can't. It's a proper fish killer. Right. Oof, where is he going? I'm not seeing the size of it. I don't know how big it is. Ah, it's tiny. Alright, shall we get your head up and get you in? There we go. Look. Oh. There we go. Oh my god, these fish. Right, come on. In a couple of minutes, get your head up. Get your head up, boy. Girl. Girl, boy. Oh, no, no, see. Where are you going? A wee bumblebee flying past me there. Lovely to see the bees coming out in spring. Hope they've had a good hibernation. Alright. Come on, you. There we go. So we get your head up. That's it. Oh, you're a nice fish, actually. Good neck. Come on. No, 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 no. Come on, you. Let's try that. Right. Let's see if we can get your head up. That's it. Head up. Come on. Oh, oh, lordy me, Ross. Come on. Ay, 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 ay. Schoolboy error. Right, come on. Nope. It's not a big fish. Maybe £3. Maybe. Hard to gauge. I'll know when it's in the net. Come on, you. Come on, you. Get in. Oh, that's a £3. Oh, that's lovely. No wonder. Oh, what a lovely fish that. Yes, 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 yes. And there's the app and our gob. Oh, that's a good scrap, that. I think we'll go and get you back. Nice fish. Right. Let's maybe I can get you back. Look. Oh, look at that. Oh. Another one. I just cast it out. What a jump you missed at the beginning though. You're flying out of the water. Oof. Right, so, oh. Fishing number 5. Right. Oh. Fishing number 5. Come on, boy. Oh, that's a bluey. That's why it was jumping. Right. No, it's not. It's just a fresh stocky. Right. I thought that was a bluey for a second there. Then just jumped out like you would have a shark in the water. Right. Let's get you. Thank you. Sheesh. She's Louise. Right. Lovely. Silvery fish. Come on. Let's go back to casting out there. I just put my first cast in and boom. Oh, there we go. The old Alps. Oh. Just a little bugger. Right, don't know where the hell am I going? Jesus, she's over there. Da 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 da. Right. Let's just stay here, shall we? Right. Strong fishy. I can't see him, I'm getting blind in that sun. Come on. There we go. Let's get you in. There we go. Hey, nice. Hold still. Hold still. Right, that's the fly out the gob. Lovely wee fishy. There you go. Excellent. Right. Right, so little size 14 Vicar buzzard on the dropper. And I put a little suspender buzzer on the point, and that fish just wrapped himself up nicely in my cast. Right, here we go. Right, let's get down here. Okay, so that was good. Always wrapped himself up real good in my cast. Coming backwards nice and slowly. There we go. Gotcha. Okay. There we go. Lovely fishy that. Beautiful. There we go. Excellent. Excellent. What's the... Pardon me. That fish just jumped 3 times out of the water. Anyway. A Speedy Gonzales fish. Alright. Oh, my fingers are getting cold. Nice little tree. Oh. On the red catbug. Oh. On the red catbug. Strong little fishies. Come on, bud. Oh. Right, let's get you in so I can go home. Nice fish that. Oh, it's a lovely fish that. And the net you go. Lovely. Oh, I streamlined to perfection, that is. And the fly has come out in the net. Beautiful. Excellent. Here's what I want to see. Oh, little tail. Right, let's get you back. Oh, excellent.